In this video, we'll show you a couple of customer journey map examples, plus talk about how to create one. Also, good music and templates are shared. That'll make more sense when you watch the video. So first of all, what is a customer journey map? Let's take a look at an example. Here's a super simple map for a B2B. A potential customer has a need, they research solutions, check out vendors, sign up for a plan, use the product, they need help with the product, renew their plan, and then tell others about their experience. That visual representation is a customer journey map. Its purpose is to understand and improve the customer experience and ensure smooth and efficient operations. It can also be measured and improved over time. Let's take a look at a real-life example. Spotify, an audio streaming and media service provider, used a customer journey map to improve its music sharing features. By detailing the user experience, from a listener's visit, to sharing music, to receiving a response from the person who received the music, they were able to identify pain points and make enhancements. Such a good song! Thank you for sharing it with me. Have a song you think I should check out? Put it in the comments. Here are 6 easy steps a business can take to make their own customer journey map. Step 1. Identify ideal customers. Use data to develop detailed customer profiles, like collecting customer feedback from surveys or looking at analytics. Step 2. Define the journey goal. Establish clear, measurable objectives for what your business wants to achieve. Step 3. Map out customer stages. The main stages most customers go through are awareness. This is where they discover a brand. Consideration, when they compare your brand to others. Decision, they've made a decision to purchase. Purchase, they complete the transaction. Adoption, they use the business's product. Retention, this can include customer support and their experience with the brand while using the product. And advocacy, they're a loyal fan and they're telling others about your brand. Describe what customers think, feel, and do at each of these stages. Step 4, list and visualize touch points. Every interaction a customer has with your brand, whether they're on your website, interacting via social, talking to an agent, is a touch point. List them out. Step 5, analyze and monitor. Gather your team to analyze the map. Look for patterns, identify successes, and pinpoint areas for improvement. This analysis will spark ideas for refining your user journey map and enhancing the customer experience. And last but not least, Step 6, implementation and updates. Share the map with all relevant teams. Use it to inform marketing campaigns, product development, and customer service strategies. Hi, just wanted to let you know that you don't have to start from scratch. Follow the blog link in the description for information on getting started with some free templates. They're free. And remember, customer journeys evolve. Continuous improvement of the map is key to increasing customer satisfaction in the entire customer journey. Now that you know how to create a customer journey map, explore tools like Nextiva's Journey Builder. It visualizes a brand's customer journey and provides deep insights into customer experiences. Learn more by clicking the link in the description. Until next time, you know what customer journey maps don't show you? How to get to Funky Town.